Today's video, best self-cleaning cat litter box for large cats.
Finding the best products can be very difficult, as the market comes with many types. We've, therefore, spent countless hours researching and testing most of the products available to help you. We've ranked these products based on many different factors, such as performance, quality, durability, and value for the money. And if you'd like to see their price and find out more information, check the product links in the description down below. Let's not waste any more time and get started with the video.
Best self-cleaning cat litter box for large cats.
Starting off our list, at number 5. These are our ratings for this product. At number 4.
Litter Robot, the automatic self-cleaning litter box that really works. Once your cat exits, a timer counts down, allowing litter to clump before a cleaning cycle begins. As the globe slowly rotates, the patented sifting process separates the clumps from the clean litter, depositing them into a carbon-filtered drawer below. The globe returns to the home position, leaving a clean bed of litter for the next use. Empty the waste drawer when indicated and add litter as needed. It's that simple. So say hello to the Litter Robot and say goodbye to scooping litter forever.
These are our ratings for this product. At number 3, in the list. These are our ratings for this product. At number 2,
When you want the very best for your pet, the Elite Rolling Clean Self-Cleaning Cat Litter Box is the ultimate of litter boxes. Its stylish yet smart design makes cleaning your cat's litter box easy and simple. All you have to do is roll it over and you're pretty much done. To use the Rolling Clean Self-Cleaning Litter Box, lift up the stylish, upgraded chrome-plated accent clips and fill it up to the line measurements inside the box with clumping cat litter. Then just give your cat some time. The Rolling Clean Litter Box has a grill inside that catches clumped waste. When you roll the box onto its top, the waste is caught while the clean litter passes through the grill, getting rid of the bad stuff and keeping the good stuff. When you roll it back down, the waste goes into the pull-out tray while the clean litter covers the bottom. You'll see your litter box is level with cat litter, clean and ready to use again. The Cat Step is an additional feature that helps your furry friend to clean its paws upon exiting, so you can spend more time with your pet and less time cleaning up after them. Now, if only your cat could clean its litter box.
These are our ratings for this product. At number 1. These are our ratings for this product.
Best self-cleaning cat litter box for large cats.
Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.